Hello friends! BMW is preparing for the release of the updated 7 Series, and the success of this flagship facelift directly depends on the Croatian company Rimac Technology, with which BMW has now formed a very close partnership. You might ask, what does Rimac have to do with the updated 7? Let me explain. The Croatian firm will supply high-voltage battery systems for the updated BMW i7, whose world premiere is expected at the end of April at the Beijing Auto Show. For the company's founder, Mate Rimac, this deal is something of a symbolic full circle. His journey in the EV world began back in 2009 with a self-converted BMW 3 Series E30, and now, almost 2 decades later, the company he built is supplying the most expensive and technically complex component for the flagship electric sedan of the very same brand where it all started. A beautiful story, and to be fair, a well-earned one. The battery pack has been co-developed by the two companies over 5 years, which already speaks volumes about the seriousness of the project. Production is set up at Rimac's new 90,000 square meter campus in Zagreb. From there, the completed battery systems are shipped to BMW's plant in Dingolfing, Germany, where final vehicle assembly takes place. The production capacity is Rashita na 300,000 modules per year, which translates to roughly 50,000 complete battery systems annually. By scale, this is likely the largest industrial project in Croatia's history. The cost of just the production line alone reached 130 million euros, ironically exceeding the cost of building the entire campus, 120 million euros. An impressive figure that clearly shows how seriously Rimac approached this contract. In essence, rather than changing the platform of its flagship, a technically complex and extremely expensive move, BMW has chosen a clever workaround. The high-voltage battery combines next-generation Gen 6 cell chemistry used in BMW's latest new class EVs with the modular Gen 5 architecture that can be integrated into the CLAR platform underpinning the current i7. It uses cylindrical lithium-ion cells in the 4695 format, delivering 20% higher energy density compared to the prismatic cells used previously. BMW promises significantly increased range and much faster charging compared to the current i7, effectively bringing key elements of the new class philosophy into an existing flagship sedan without waiting for an all-new model or, most importantly, a platform change. However, behind all this technological brilliance, there are a few uncomfortable questions worth asking. First, promises of significantly greater range and much faster charging sound appealing but remain vague. BMW has deliberately withheld concrete figures until the official premiere. In a market where competitors openly disclose battery capacity, charging times, and range, such secrecy inevitably raises eyebrows. Second, the very fact that BMW had to turn to an external supplier for batteries in a facelifted model indirectly suggests that the company's in-house capabilities in this area may still lag behind its ambitions. A German giant with enormous resources relying on a Croatian company for the key component of its flagship EV is, despite all respect for Rimac, quite telling. Third, context matters. The BMW i7 is already one of the most expensive electric vehicles in its segment, and this new battery is unlikely to make it any more affordable. Production investments of 130 million euros for a single line will inevitably be reflected in the final price. Buyers in the flagship sedan segment may not be overly price sensitive, but the question of value for money still remains, especially against the backdrop of rapidly advancing Chinese competitors offering comparable or even superior specs at significantly lower prices. At the same time, the partnership itself is a fascinating precedent for the industry. Rimac has evolved from a small Croatian workshop into a full-fledged technological partner for one of the world's largest automakers. It's a clear sign that in the EV era, traditional hierarchies are shifting, and engineering excellence matters more than company size or geographic origin. The updated BMW i7 will debut alongside the facelifted combustion engine 7 Series at the Beijing Auto Show at the end of April, and only then will we see whether the real-world specs truly live up to all the hype.